All right, you guys, I don't know if you know this or not, but you are not supposed to keep your batteries or charge them out in your garage when you have high temperatures like this in the hundreds. So first I just brought them in to get them cooled down, and I hadn't even used them in a few days. They were just overheating on their own, and they're charging just fine now, but we're gonna find a spot to put these in your house as a permanent home. So since these are gonna be in my house permanently, I do not want them laying around. I don't like a lot of clutter, so we're gonna find a spot to put these on your wall. Now I'm putting these in my laundry room. First thing you want to do is get a stud finder and find a stud, measure from the top to the bottom. This one's a vertical one, so this will go perfectly into one stud. So then you're going to go ahead and make your marks on the wall, and then you're going to want to get your level to make sure that is perfectly level. Then you're going to go ahead and just screw those screws in, but don't screw them in all the way because you need a little space for that to hang. And then I don't know about you guys, but cord showing drives me crazy. So I'm trying to hide this cord the best that I can behind that as I hang it on the wall. All right, so we're all good here. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Now this one has a horizontal one, so we're not going to be able to go into studs right here. So go ahead and measure where the screws are going to need to go, and then I'm measuring from the top down to where those are because I want that to be completely level with each other. Now go ahead and make those marks on the wall where the screws are going to go, and then again you're going to want to get your level to make sure this is completely level. Then we're going to have to use wall anchors here since we can't get the studs. So get a drill bit, put that anchor behind it. And if you can just see the wings, that is the perfect size to use. All right, now I'm just double checking that these measurements were correct. And then you're going to go ahead and get that wall anchor and measure it down from the drill bit and just put a little piece of tape so you know how far to go into the wall. All right, so now we're just going to drill where we marked on the wall to where the tape is on the drill bit. And then you're going to go ahead and push those wall anchors into the wall. They should go in pretty easily with just a push of your thumb. If they're not going in really easily, just take that drill bit and make that hole just slightly bigger. All right, now we're ready to screw those screws in. And again, do not screw these in all the way because you need to leave a little space for it to hang. Now, this cord is driving me crazy again, but I'm trying my best to get it out of the way and just make sure it's in there really tightly so it's secure. All right, so here it is all done. I got that cord out of the way, and I found a little spot to store my extra batteries right here above on this shelf. And I don't know if you guys know this too, but you're not supposed to store paint or anything like that out there in your garage. So here's my little storage area for all of that. And then when your batteries are charged, you can just put them on the shelf right next to them. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.